Hello and good morning, friends. Let's begin our lesson number 11 of Standard 8 Mathematics NCERT textbook. Name of lesson is mensuration. This lesson number contains different types of areas and volume of different shapes. So let us begin with the initial stage what we have learned about shapes. So first we will start with 2D shapes, perimeter of 2D shapes and area, and then we will proceed for the other, that is three-dimensional shapes. First of all, we start with a figure. You are familiar with it. Which figure this is? You know it very well. This is rectangle. Okay. A rectangle is having length and breadth. Okay. Suppose this is given 7 centimeter length and breadth is given 5 centimeter. And we are asked to find the area and perimeter of this shape. So सबसे पहले what is area and what is perimeter, that we need to understand. So the first thing, area means space occupied by an object is called area of that particular object. Here we are discussing for a shape rectangle. Okay, so rectangle means area of rectangle we are saying. So area of rectangle means length multiplied by breadth, means this much length and this much breadth. So totally space covered by this one. Okay, so let me give you an example. Suppose if I have a shape, various shapes I have with me, and using that shapes we can go ahead. Suppose this is a shape you find, this is a rectangular type of shape. So in this white plane area, the space covered by this color rectangular shape is called the area covered by this rectangle in this white plane region. So we how much? So length multiplied by breadth. Hope so clear to you. Same way, the space occupied by another object shape, that is this one, that's this shape is square. Same way, you can also gain for this triangular shape also, the space occupied by this triangular shape. Similarly, for another one, that is circle. So the area covered by this circle also. So these things we are going to learn step by step. First of all, we will learn about area and then perimeter. So what is perimeter? That also we are going to discuss. As per the measurement given to us, length is 7 centimeter multiplied by breadth is 5 centimeter. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 multiplied by centimeter multiplied by centimeter. So this 1 power and 1 power, so it will give you 35 centimeter 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, so क्या मिलेगा 35 centimeter square. Now clear why we are writing in area the square? Clear? Okay, because 1 centimeter multiplied by centimeter, 5 multiplied by 7 and centimeter multiplied by centimeter, so 1 and 1 power get added when there is multiplication sign between them. That's why centimeter. We can also write in other form, that is 35 square in short and centimeter. If meter is there, then meter, or kilometer is then kilometer. Hope so this much clear. Now we proceed for the another shape, that is square. As you all know, in a square all four sides equal, so area of square type of shape, it means length multiplied by length, or we can say side multiplied by side, or we can say L square. So L 2 time means length 2 time. That is, suppose it is given 5 centimeter. Okay, so 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter, so 5 into 5 into centimeter into centimeter, so that will give 25 centimeter square. This is area, or we can write 25 square centimeter this way also, area of square shape. Same way we can go for the triangular shape also. So as you know, there is a triangular shape means a closed figure formed by 3 line segments. So 3 line segments are there. Now here area of triangle. When we are saying area of triangle, the formula to find the area of triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So base into height this way. Okay, so which is base and which is height? So let's first discuss that and then we will proceed further. So here the any one side, any of the corner and perpendicular to the other line segment. This is from this side also, it is can be done from this point also. So any one corner, suppose it is A, B and C. So A to E, or we can say D. AO लिखते हैं, चलो ना. AO is altitude or height, or we can say altitude, okay, of this triangle. And base means from this side, from B to C, this is known as base. Okay, suppose this height is given 7 centimeter and base is given 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 12 centimeter. Okay, then here we can find area of triangle, that is half multiplied by base is equal to 12 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter height. So we can cancel it out. Cut हो सकता है possibility? Yes sir. 2 1s are 2 6. Okay, so now it will be 1 into 6 centimeter into 7 centimeter. So 6 7s are 42 into 1 means 42 only centimeter square, or 42 square centimeter. Okay, so this is area of triangle. Same way we can go for area